The marvel of the female body, unveiling two truths *, truth 1, the brilliant adaptability of muscle. Tissue *, many hold a flawed belief that certain activities weaken muscles, causing them to lose elasticity or sag. This couldn't be further from the truth. The human body, particularly the female form, is a masterpiece of adaptability, akin to a high-performance machine fine-tuned for its purpose. Imagine a gymnast, her muscles sculpted for balance and precision, or a marathon runner, whose legs are optimized for endurance. Muscles don't just endure wear, they evolve. Through a process called muscle memory, the body records repetitive actions, much like a computer catching frequently used programs for faster access. The nervous system forges efficient pathways, and muscle fibers recalibrate to meet the demands placed upon them. This isn't degradation, it's optimization, a testament to the evolutionary brilliance embedded in our biology. Take learning to dance. At first, every step feels awkward, your body resisting the unfamiliar rhythm. But with practice, muscles adapt, movements become fluid, and what was once challenging feels effortless. This is the body's wisdom at work, actively refining itself. For efficiency. Age often gets blamed for diminishing muscle elasticity, but this is overstated. Yes, muscles, like skin, undergo natural changes over time, but these shifts are gradual and manageable. With mindful exercise, yoga, strength training, or even daily walks, muscles can retain their vigor. The key lies in holistic health, proper nutrition, rest, and movement. Blaming specific behaviors for localized changes ignores the bigger picture. Your body is a symphony, not a single note. Truth 2, the body's ingenious self-cleaning system. Modern society obsesses over cleanliness, often peddling products that promise to purify the body. Yet, the female body possesses a remarkable, self-sustaining system that rivals the most advanced technologies. Like a forest shedding old leaves to make way for new growth, certain parts of the body naturally renew their surface cells. This process is autonomous, requiring no external intervention. Consider the body's acid-base balance system, a marvel of precision. In a healthy state, it maintains an ideal environment, correcting imbalances with the finesse of a smart thermostat. Adjusting room temperature. When external factors like diet or stress cause fluctuations, the body's built-in mechanisms spring into action, restoring equilibrium without fanfare. Overzealous cleaning practices, however, can disrupt this natural rhythm. Picture overwashing your hands until the skin cracks, weakening its protective barrier. Similarly, excessive use of products in sensitive areas can upset the body's delicate balance, interfering with its metabolic harmony. The female body, honed by millions of years of evolution, is far more reliable than any commercial solution. Trusting its innate processes is not just wise, it's empowering. Misconceptions also swirl around neural sensitivity. Some believe frequent stimulation dulls the nervous system, but this is a misunderstanding. The brain is a master of efficiency, learning to filter out repetitive stimuli to conserve energy. Think of a city dweller tuning out traffic noise, or a chef no longer noticing the kitchen's heat. This isn't a loss of sensitivity. It's the nervous system prioritizing resources. Psychological factors play a starring role here. The brain habituates to familiar experiences, like growing accustomed to a favorite dish. But introduce novelty, a new spice, a different rhythm, and the nervous system sparks back to life. This adaptability is not a flaw, but a feature, keeping the body responsive and dynamic. Hormonal fluctuations, often misunderstood, are another natural dance. Just as your heart races during a sprint, certain hormones ebb and flow in response to specific activities. These shifts are not erratic, but purposeful, part of the body's intricate regulatory system. The central truth: The female body is a marvel of engineering resilient, adaptive, and self-regulating, rather than succumbing to myths or societal pressures. Embrace its intelligence. Every muscle, every cell, every neural pathway is designed to thrive. Trust your body. It's not just strong, it's a masterpiece.